Today, we are building an AI app that takes image as input, looks at the image, and understand what's there inside, and help us explain as a response that in the simple word that what's there, right? This is called multimodal AI, which basically situation where AI can understand images as well apart from text. Today is day 24 of 30 days of AI coding challenge. This challenge is structured in a way that you learn by doing and step by step build AI app using Streamlit in Snowflake. I have skipped day 24 challenge for now because I'm facing some challenge in implementation, but I'll definitely cover that up in next few days. But make sure you complete all the previous day's challenge before moving on to today's challenge. Let's start with the demo. So starting with the day 24 demo, image analysis with AI. So we will need to just upload an image over here and we'll let AI analyze it, understand it, and help us to understand what's there inside, right? We can do multiple operations with that image. Now, let's understand the sidebar. Sidebar, there is a settings, there's a configuration for the database and schema, the model that you can select. You want to run your image and AI use that model. Status is a state status where you will keep that image in the Snowflake stage. Cool. Now let's start uploading the image. So I have uploaded one image over here. So I'll give this link for this image in the description below. So you can use that definitely, or you can use your own image as well. Now, there are multiple type of analysis that we can do with the image. Either we can tell AI, hey, please explain what this image is all about. And another thing is that we can tell, hey, you can extract the text, identify the objects, or analyze the charts and the graph in that. Or any custom prompt also you want to ask, or you have some requirement, you can mention that and then click on analyze image. So for now, let's go with this general description and I'll click on analyze image. And let's see, it's analyzing, showing the status. We have the analysis ready. So it shows, because this image is all about the QSAR modeling. You can see QSAR modeling, where we are preparing the data, doing the modeling, and then molecular docking. This is all about that image, and that's what it's explaining over here. Flowchart listed three main processes. It's explaining that, starting with data set preparation on the left, begin with CH, EMBL, 20 database, and all those information is mentioned. So it means data splitting, 80-20 ratio. So you see, it's splitting 80-20 ratio. So it's reading exactly the same what's there inside the image. That is a check. It can, it also provides that what model it ran, what was the prompt, and the stage where exactly this image is. So see how cool this is, where this multimodal AI, which it can also understand the image as well. So let's start with the code walkthrough quickly. So code walkthrough for day 24, working with images, it's multimodality. So it means the AI can understand images now. Now let's understand the code. So first is session state initialization, right? Where we are just passing the image database and schema. It's in the session state, and then we are also configuring the stage name. The stage name is image analysis, and this is exactly the stage name. Now, sidebar configuration, all those setting, database configuration, you would have seen this. This is drop down, like say expander, this is expander, it expand and show all the information. Select box is there with, you can select the multiple models, and that's it. Now, what else? Now, what is stage? If you don't know what exactly the stage is a temporary space in the Snowflake itself, where you can put the data if it's coming from outside of the Snowflake, any file you want to ingest. So it could be internal, it could be external. All right. So by default, we are creating internal stage. We are keeping the file, which is image in our case. When we upload it from here, right, it's by default storing it in Snowflake internal stage. So that internal stage we are creating with this command, and this is the full stage name. Once this is done, we are just creating the upload container for with border UI. So this upload container, you can see this one. This is the one. This complete is one of the container for uploading an image. So in that, what's happening? It's just creating the file underscore uploader. This is the new library in the package. Sorry, the method in the Streamlit, which basically can use to upload the files, and you can mention the supported the file types. Once we have something in the uploaded underscore file, right? This is the uploader. If something is there, we need to show that image that this is what uploaded. So in that case, we are creating two columns over here. See, 1 and 2. In column 1, we'll be showing the image using the st.image method. We are showing that uploaded a file and showing your image. And then on the right hand side, we are showing about the file name, the name of the uploaded file. And then based on the file size, we are just categorizing it, and using if else, we are just mentioning the size. If it's in KB, it will show in KB, otherwise MB or bytes. Based on that, dynamically, it will mention the size and the file name. Now, once this is done, we'll start with the analysis. So analysis means what exactly you want once the image is there. What do you want from there? So this is the drop down select box that we created, and then the prompt. So prompt for custom prompt. So if custom prompt is there, if this is the custom prompt, then we need to create the text area. If you see text area will be provided, which is enter your prompt. This is the placeholder and that's it. Now upload image to Snowflake stage. So once we have the image, so we are just using the timestamp, using the time library, time package. We are creating the timestamp and appending that in the starting. So file name will be image underscore the timestamp and the file extension. So that's what the by default the name of the file should be. So file extension means if it's a JPG, so we are just getting that JPG, right? The name of the extension. Now uploading that into the stage. So uploaded file is the proper file. We are getting the value image bytes and then converting into byte IO. This is related to the image, and so that we can grab that. We are just using the push stream to basically compressing it and overriding it and putting that into the file, into the stage. Once the file has been placed into the stage, now the next is doing the analysis. So now we are using AI underscore complete AI function, which can read the file from the stage. How we need to mention the model and the prompt. We are just replacing some codes from the prompt and passing the file. Where is the file? It's in the stage, and this is the file name that you need to pick. So we are just executing this query, and then we are after this result is there, we are just grabbing it and then storing that in the session state. So analysis response. So response is there, model, prompt, stage, everything we are storing it in the session state. Cool. Now, once we have that, so we need to display that. So for analysis underscore response, this is the one. We are just checking, we are showing that in the analysis result. So this is the analysis result. We are showing the response as it is. We're using the markdown and some expander is here where we need to show that what model, prompt, or stage we used. So that is here. Cool. Now, once that is done, some helper information is also there in case there is no uploaded file over here, right? Let's suppose if I reduce it, you see, this is the information which is uploaded, that what Vision AI can do. It's exactly a Vision AI. It can read it, it can see it and understand the information, grab the information. So likewise, this is the main piece of code. But in today's session, you learned something new. What we did in the day 24 is we created the border container, right? We did the smart file sizing, and we also added the image upload using the file uploader function. The method we used put underscore stream to loading into the stage, and using this CI function and to file in the syntax to do the vision analysis to read the image. Multimodal is there. Analysis type is also multiples, right? And file management also we did it, right? So these all features are there in this piece of code, and this is very good. Now, some more information is there that what's the meaning of each of the type of analysis. You can definitely go through it. And if you want to understand more about file uploader and STimage, you can definitely go through this link. I'll put it in the description. Same for the AI complete as well. We learned today that how multimodal AI works, how we can build image-based AI apps. This is Sudeep Kumar. Make sure if you want to see more of my videos, do like the video, subscribe the channel, and do share with your friends. Try uploading different images and see how AI apps are working for you. And comment done once you complete today's challenge. And tomorrow we will explore a voice-based chat AI app, and which will really help you to interact with you based upon your voice input. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.